I'm going to show you how to set up your blog. Last semester, I sort of assumed that this was an innate skill that everybody knew how to do and found out that a lot of people didn't, and then we sort of struggled with it all semester. So I thought I'd go ahead and record this video so that you can just have this to refer to whenever it's time for you to set up your blog. And hopefully it works well. Okay, so a couple things. If you're already using WordPress or some other blogging platform and you already have a blog that exists and you want to continue using that, that's perfectly fine. What you actually will turn in on Canvas is just a hyperlink to your blog post, okay? So you just literally cut and paste it out of the browser up here, and then you cut it, paste it into Canvas, and then that's how I go to see your blog, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to set it up with Blogger because Blogger is super easy. And you can actually, it's like part of the Google universe, like it's owned by Google. And so if you have a Google account, you can sign in. The other reason that I was going to show you how to do this is that for some people that don't already have a public blog, the privacy is an issue. And so they don't want for anybody to be able to read their stuff. And so they want to set it to be private. And it's really easy to do that with Blogger. So I'm going to show you how to do it. If you want to do it a different platform, that's totally okay to you. So anyway, so you go to blogger.com. You find it, and then you click create your blog, okay? And so now I've already logged in as my thing, and I'm going to create, you probably won't have to do this if you already have a Gmail account. And so you're going to log into your Google account. It'll bring you to this page, something about European laws. You can just X that out, okay? And so here you are, like you've logged in to Blogger with your Google account, and now you're gonna create a new blog. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna give your blog a title. So we're gonna call this like Adam's Bogus Blog Account. So, and you can actually pick your web address too, so if you want to. So this will be, again, like what this part is. So we're gonna call this one AgEd LD 3010 because nobody's probably done that yet. So we'll actually name it Adam's Class Blog. Okay, and then you can choose your theme. Your theme isn't super important to me. We're gonna go with the one with the cat. Okay, so we've given it a title, we've given it a web address, and then we've picked a cat. And then you're gonna create your blog. Woo! Okay, now here's the new thing. Sorry, I had to edit out some stuff there. It's gonna try to sell you a domain. Like, you don't need a domain. That's like if you wanted to have adamsclassblog.com, and we don't want that. So you just click no thanks. So here you are. You've created your blog. You've given it a name, and then you're like, this is like sort of the home page, right? And so to create a post, so now you've got your blog done. So to create a post, you just go to new post. It takes a minute to load. And then part of the reason that I picked Blogger is that this is very similar to like a Google Doc. And so now you can actually like do the thing, right? So you can have like test blog post. You can, make things like bold or italic, or like if you want to like give it like a heading sort of thing. If you want to add links, you click on the link thing. If you want to add pictures, you click on the picture thing, et cetera, et cetera. And then you would, type stuff in there. When you're all done over here, you can save it, but what you actually want to do so that other people can see it is hit publish, okay? So now we have Adam's test blog post. And so if we want to view it, we click view, and it looks so pretty, right? Here's my little thing over here. Here's the fun background. I don't know why it's still loading. This is your test blog post. So what you would do then, whenever you're all done, is you would cut and paste this address, not from like the homepage that I showed you, but from like the view thing, because this is what's public. So here's your website, blogspot.com/what. And so you would cut and paste that, and this is what you would turn in Canvas so that I can see it, okay? So here's another thing that I want to show you, is that if you want to make this like set to where it's private, you come over here to settings, okay? And then like the default is public, right? But you can edit that. So you can set it to private and then only these readers, okay? And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put in an email address. And so what you wanna do is add readers, and then you wanna add in like my email address for the class. So agedld, 3010 at gmail.com. And so this way, whenever I log into Blogger and you publish the thing, I'm gonna be able to see your blog post that you've made if you don't want to make it public. So, all right, hopefully that makes some sense to you all. So, that's it. That's all there is to it. Nothing to show. Anyway, so just to review, if you go back to posts, and then you want to do another one, so new post, you type in the things for your class, you hit publish, and then, if you want to send me the link, you go here to your post that you finished with, you hit view, and then you cut and paste this address, because this is the public address, into Canvas. Okay, good. Hopefully this wasn't too bad.